Hello everyone and welcome to Real Benny's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my Nigerian unripe plantain porridge. You know, plantain can be prepared in so many ways, but this is one of the ways I normally enjoy my unripe plantain. On the table, I have my unripe plantains. I have my oil here. This is our ground crayfish. I'll be using smoked mackerel fish. I have our salt to taste, our bouillon cube. I have my onions and I have my vegetable. I prefer using vegetables, but you can use any vegetable of your choice. I also have here my tomatoes and my pepper. I'm using Scotch bonnet pepper and I'm using bell pepper because of coloring. So join me as we cook. The plantains are already washed, so I'll just go by peeling them and then cut them into the shape that I want. Note that when you are peeling unripe plantain, you have to be very careful because when the water touches your clothes, it doesn't go, it leaves a permanent stain. So you just have to be very careful. I'm done cutting my plantain. I've washed them, so I'm going to put them in the pot, then over to the gas cooker to start cooking. You can see I left one finger of plantain. I'm going to scrape it in the pot. It will act as thickener so I don't have watery porridge. Though some people like their own watery, but I like mine a bit thick. So I just be scraping it like this. You can see as I'm scraping, you see what I'm doing now, scrape it and put it like this in the pot. I'm done washing the cut plantains now and it's on the fire. I'll just add a little bit of salt while I adjust it later. Then I cover it to cook for like 10 minutes and I'll come back with the other ingredients. Cutting the tomatoes now. I don't like blending my tomatoes when I'm preparing plantain porridge. I like slicing them so that it will be crunchy and it will add color to the plantain porridge. You can see the size I'm giving to it, but if you feel like blending yours, you can blend. Just do whatever suits you. When cutting your tatashe, you have to remove the seed. If not, it might make your food to be bitter. So always take it out. After 10 minutes, I came back to check what's cooking. So now I'm just going to add the tomatoes and the other ingredients so it will cook together before I now do the final touch. So I'm adding the tomatoes, onions, and pepper. This is the already washed smoked mackerel fish. This is our crayfish. You have to be generous with crayfish because that is what gives it the tasty vibe. Our bouillon cube, I'm using 2. So I'll allow everything to cook very well for the next 10 minutes before I come back. So now I'll just go and cut the vegetable ugu that I'm using. So I'm cutting the ugu leaves now. Like I said earlier on, you can use any leaf that you prefer. I like using ugu. I'm back, so I'm going to put in my palm oil so everything will cook and incorporate very well. I'm going to use 3 cooking spoons of palm oil for this. So I'll just cover it again for the next 5 minutes, then I'll be back. Wow, see what we have here. See our Nigerian unripe plantain porridge. You see the colors, that is why I don't like blending my tomatoes, I like slicing. So I'll just put in the sliced ugu leaves now, then stir it, adjust the salt and turn off the heat. You can see the face of our ugu in the porridge. Please, if you have followed me up to this point and you have not liked, please do like, share, and subscribe. Share to family members, friends, so they can prepare theirs. And if you have done yours, tag me. Wow, this is lovely. Let me test for salt, then adjust it if I still need to do that. Okay, I'll add some more salt. Everything is okay. Pepper, everything is just so perfect. Wow. Okay, the salt is okay now. So I'll just turn off the heat. Thanks for following me. I appreciate. Wow, see my plantain porridge, so sweet, nice, colorful, appetizing. It's so tasty. Let me just taste this thing and tell people how it is. Awesome, succulent. It's so nice. Please try and prepare yours and let me know in the comment section. Thank you and bye bye.